Today I'm going to show how to check your air filter on a 2017 Subaru Outback with a 3.6 engine. Looks like first of all you take out this clip, and no, it can never go smooth. Alright, maybe disconnect this map sensor. Don't forget to hook it back up. Very important. Get yourself a small straight edge screwdriver. And down here, the screwdriver is, there's a clamp. I can barely see myself. Push with elbows, and that's just an angle. Looks like it might be an 8mm. There we go. There's the clamp. Can you see it? The screw? Yeah. Let's remove that. Pop this out. There we go. That should be good enough. I don't have an air filter for this car. It wasn't requested, but I check them when I do an oil change, typically. Now I get yourself a pair of needle nose pliers. And this clip here. There's like two ends, squeeze with the pliers, push back through the hole. And normally you gotta have this extreme, but I'm making a video and holy, God bless America. This thing needs a clean replacement. Wow, I will tell him. Matter of fact, I'll snapshot it. Alright. Now, we know that's bad. So get your tube, put it back in. Oh wait, get your wire. Put that back through the hole first. Until it clicks. Should click. Yep. Now, put that back in the tube. And there's two ends down at the bottom here. And you put them back in. Don't forget to reconnect your map sensor. One goes here, one goes there. Now I'm going to reposition this clamp. We're going to reposition our clamp here. And I'm using a nut driver with an 8mm on there. I mean, it just makes it easier to get to. There, done. That's it. That's how you check your air filter on a 2017 Subaru Outback. Would fill the washer fluid up, but I don't have any winter stuff. Have to get some. But yeah, that's pretty much the long and short of it. It's not that bad of a deal. This will have another video in the future. I don't know when. Probably a day or two from this day. What today is November 15th. So I'll probably do the next couple of days to get a video. And I'll link that squeegee tool, this thing, in the description of this video. Okay, that's the end of the video. See you next time. Thanks for watching.